Red tea detox recipes to lose weight fast. Regular exercise and eating a balanced diet are two of the most common ways by which you can lose weight. But did you know that there is another increasingly popular natural way to shed those extra pounds fast? Consuming detox drinks is indeed one of those ways. In this video, we will focus on using red tea to help you detoxify and tone down your excess body fat. The African red tea. The African red tea, which is also called the rooibos tea, is the type of red tea that is usually used for detox drinks. This type of tea is mostly found in the South African redbush and is caffeine-free. While rooibos can come in green or red form, the fermented tea is more popular. What makes this perfect for weight loss is that it has low calories and is naturally sweet. Hence, you wouldn't be tempted to add sugar to your drink. Calorie content of red tea. For every 8-ounce serving of African red tea, you will only get 2 calories. So instead of consuming a cream soda that has 126 calories, you can just drink 8 ounces of this healthy herbal tea and have a deficit of 124 calories. How to prepare African red tea. According to Tivana, you can prepare African red tea pretty much just like any other herbal teas out there. Following are the steps for preparing your rooibos tea drink. Add 1.5 teaspoons of loose rooibos tea to 8 ounces of boiling water. Let the tea steep for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you want stronger tasting tea, you can steep it for a longer amount of time. Drink while hot, or if you want it chilled, simply place it in the fridge until it cools down. You can also pour it over a glass with ice. Other African red tea recipes. Aside from drinking it in the most basic form, you can also add a couple of natural ingredients to improve the taste and further increase its weight loss benefit. Here are some of the recipes you can try. 1. African red tea and lemon. Ingredients: a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of African red tea leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Procedure: bring water to a boil, then remove from the heat. Allow hot water to cool down a bit for just a minute. Add the tea leaves and steep for about 3 minutes. Strain into your cup. Mix in the lemon juice thoroughly. Drink while warm. The good thing about adding lemon juice is that it provides vitamin C that can boost your immune system. 2. African red tea and mint. Ingredients: a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of African red tea leaves, 5 mint leaves. Procedure: bring water to a boil. Add in the mint leaves and allow to boil for about 2 minutes. Take the pot of water away from the heat and allow to cool for 1 minute. Let the red tea leaves steep for about 3 minutes. Strain into a cup and enjoy. Mint leaves are good to add because they can provide a cooling, soothing effect and improve your digestion. 3. African red tea and cinnamon. Ingredients: a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of African red tea leaves, 1 inch of Ceylon cinnamon. Procedure: bring water to a boil. Add the Ceylon cinnamon and allow to boil for approximately 3 minutes. Take away from heat and allow to cool for 1 minute. Steep the tea leaves for about 3 minutes. Strain and drink while warm. Cinnamon is known for boosting your metabolism, hence adding it to your tea can further promote weight loss. The next time you think about buying weight loss supplements or getting cosmetic surgery to trim down your waistline, consider consuming African red tea detox drinks first. You may be surprised how effective this is, especially when you combine it with regular exercise and a healthy diet. And the best thing about this? It is all natural and doesn't have any adverse side effects. Give it a try and see if it works for you. Good luck to you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.